Hello guys, so this is my Monetag account right now here, and this is Monetag as you can see here. So I have been teaching a way you can earn a lot of traffics into your Monetag account, and today I'm taking you through a new trick on how you can make money with Monetag account. So just subscribe to the channel and let's dive into this particular video. There is a new tips. Let me show you this. If you have been following me for a longer period of time, all what I do on my YouTube channel here is to make money with you guys. So today's video is focused on how you can run campaigns, or what we simply say Monetag arbitrage. So one of my subscribers commented in my video that I should make a video on how you can make money with Monetag arbitrage, and a lot of strategies how you can make money online. Not only focused on Monetag, I focus on Astera, any way or any strategy on how you can make money online. So all you have to do here is to just come to my channel here, watch any video you prefer, and anything is going to give you something educative for you to make money online. But first of all, please again, kindly subscribe to this particular channel, and I'll be thanking you a lot as you are subscribing to this particular channel. Kindly leave a nice comment or any question you have about Monetag, any suggestion, because we are all learning. Okay, so I teach you also leave a comment which will also motivate me or teach me something in addition, and for me to improve my videos on this particular channel. So please kindly subscribe to the channel and leave a nice comment, like this particular video. And also you can check under the description, there is a link to my Telegram and my WhatsApp group. There I share a lot of updates out there, so don't miss out by joining my Telegram and my WhatsApp group out there. So first of all you have to do is to open your Monetag account. Now, if you don't have Monetag account, just calm down, because I have a full tutorial video on how you can make or how you can start signing up an account on Monetag. So all you have to do is just click up on the sign up button here, and watching the video in my playlist or on my videos is going to take you a little and step by step, gradual on how you can register an account on Monetag. So on Monetag here, you can earn by your direct link, you can earn with your website, you can earn with a lot of strategies here, and I teaches a lot on Monetag, at Stera, Hilltop us, and many more strategies on how you can make money online. So first thing first, Monetag is basically going to help you send your direct link to a lot of traffic. So with the higher traffic that you get, the higher amount of revenue you are going to get in your account balance. So this is my demo account. Of course, I showed you my balance, of which I have been earning about more than $200 in that particular account. So you can earn money with in-app, with websites, with paid traffic. So today, with emails and social traffics too as well on Monetag. So all you have to do here is to, if you are interested in running campaigns as an advertiser, they are going to run push notifications for you, in-page push, propounders, and vignette banners, and a lot. Okay, so you can also make deposit, you can make a withdrawal with your wire transfer, you can make with a PayPal, your screen, a lot of ways of here. And if the method that you want is not available, you can go on and contact the personal or the customer service for them to help you or assist you on your payment method. So basically, let me just log into this particular account by clicking on the login out here. So once I click on the login, it's going to directly take me to where I have to provide my email account and also provide or enter my password here. So basically, this is how I used to sign up with my Monetag account. Now, in my previous video, you can check it out. If you are really on this channel, you can check it out that I made a last video which focused on putting my direct link on Facebook. I just made only one video for the tutorial sake. I bet you I made only one video. This one video has generated me this amount of dollars in my account. I didn't even focus on it. But then, if you're consistent, as I said in that previous video, it's going to earn you a lot. And one commented on my channel like, your account is going to get banned. Yes, still my account is not getting banned, because you have to follow the policies of Facebook, and then you're going to earn. So this has gotten me 0.44 cents by just publishing one video, which I didn't even see to go viral. and it has just generated me this amount of money. Why are you still waiting? You have to just join the money team as you're making money on this particular channel here. So the first thing you have to do here is to just go to your direct link, click on your direct link. Now I've been generating a lot of links for this video sake or my tutorial sake, but today I'm not basically going to generate a link. I'll just copy any of the links here to make this particular video. But if you want to generate a link for yourself, all you have to do is to just click on add direct link, and automatically they are going to give you another link for yourself for you to use that particular link to earn a lot of revenue. You can do that with WhatsApp, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, anything at all with audience, Instagram. You can use this direct link to make money. If you bet me, just copy your link, post it on your WhatsApp, and just see the testimony coming out from there. Once people click on the link, you are going to earn something little. I bet you. Okay, good. So the first thing you have to do here is to just create a direct link. If you have direct links, so you can copy it, and then you head on to this website called Vice Forceps. So this is the landing page of Vi Forceps. So you have the forceps and you have the Vi Forceps. So this is the landing page of it. So now the first thing you have to do here is to register an account. Vi Forceps is for people who are interested in cryptocurrency. Basically, this particular website helps you to earn a lot of cryptocurrencies by completing some tasks out here, by completing some surveys and going on with daily routine coupons and lots. So you can earn USDT, you can earn Bitcoin, Litecoin, Dogecoin, BNB, and a lot. They also pay by direct withdrawal. You can also withdraw with Faucet Pay accounts. You can also do that with C Wallet and a lot of money withdrawal methods out here. So statistically, these are the total pay, that is 10 plus BTC, and also you can make money with your Faucet with the paid to click, short links, overalls, challenge, and daily bonuses that which is going to give you some tokens for you to earn money on this particular platform. But basically, we are not focusing on this, but then we have to give you the overview of this particular app so that you can get to know how it works. So the first thing you have to do is to just click on the login or sign up button here. So I'll just click on login with Google. So I don't have an account yet, so I have to use my Google account for this video sake. So basically, creating an account for this particular website is very simple, so there is no need stressing much on it. So I'll just enter continue so that I can enter the website. Good. So here I am. Say it's welcome, and then we have to. So this is the overview or the landing page of this particular website, as you can see here. So here we go. Okay, here we go. So let me enter a username. Here so that they can get to know that this is my username. Okay, good. So the first thing you have to do here, or this is the landing page. As I said earlier, this is a crypto website. So if you're interested in BTC, any of the coins here, you can select and start mining it for yourself. So here you can earn money with the coupon, the daily bonus. So the daily bonus is here. So once you just click on claim, you're going to receive 30 tokens. Now this is where you are going to pay for your campaigns to work. Okay, so you can see all these are some of the campaigns people are currently working on in order for them to make money on this particular website, as you can see here. So people are running this particular ads here. Once you click on it, at least they are going to earn something out there. Okay, so that's how this particular website actually works for you. So we are also going to run our campaign or run our ads in order for us to earn something, but you have to pay something very, very little. But in case you don't have anything to pay for your campaign or run your campaign, that's why I'm teaching you how you can earn some tokens to pay for the campaign that you have to. So you can earn with the daily bonuses. That is going to give you 30 tokens for today, which is, once you click on claim, it's gonna give you the amount of tokens. That's 30. You can also make money with the Forceps. You can make money with the Forceps aspect to here which is going to give you 65 tokens. So all you have to do here is to just scroll down and complete this capture here, which is going to earn you 65 tokens. You can also make money with short links. So basically, short links, you can make money with the short links aspects here. So the short link is basically about, they have 169 short links, and then once you complete, so the short links to are here, so have 169. Once you complete all of them, you're going to receive this token. So here are a lot of them. So once you click on claim, you're going to earn a lot of tokens from here. I'm going through because once you are interested in running your campaign and you don't have any amount of coins in any of your wallets, you can earn something little here for you to start running your campaign. So we are focusing on the advertiser. Okay, so click on advertiser and click on PTC campaigns. So once you click on PTC campaigns, here is how you can start making money. So the total campaigns, we are currently we have 0 pending 0, we have remaining 0. So you don't have anything here, you have no data here. So we are going on to create a campaign for ourselves. So the first thing you have to do here is to just click on create. Once you click on create, it's going to show you how you can go by the rules. The following topics are not allowed. They will be removed with no fund. So shortened links, links that trigger download automatically, pornographic and other stuff are going to be automatically removed from this particular website. But then direct link from Monetag is not going to give you all this. So you click on next. So what I usually do here is the title, which is going to let you know that this is the type of campaign, or this is the type of the link that I'm producing here. So I'll go on and say Monetag, um, Monetag 1. Okay, so Monetag 1, and the description I would like to say click here. Okay, click here. That will be my description, and the URL is going to be my direct link. So you copy your direct link and then you go back and then insert your direct link in this particular page, as you can see here. And the next thing you have to do here is to just click on next. Once you click on next, the duration is for you to set it up. Maybe click here to view it for 50 minutes, which is going to give you 70 tokens per hour, as people are just doing on the website. So I would like to go into click here for 15 seconds, which is going to give you 70 seconds. So once people click on it, they're going to wait for 15 seconds and they're also going to receive 70 tokens per view. All right, so the total view, what's the total view that you want here? So this is very small, so I'd like to go in for, let's say, 3,000 views at least. Very good. And I would like to enable limits. So limits here, let me say all right, so I think this is going to be our best limit per view. Okay, so I'll click on next. Once I click on next, it's going to tell me the title I choose here is Monetag. I also selected description, that is click here. This is my URL from Monetag, and this is the type. That means people who are going to interestedly click on, or who are going to visit this website with their Windows or their laptop or desktop are going to. So the price is 70 token per view, 15 seconds. So the interval is 24 hours. These are the details. If you have any coupon or any referral code, you insert it here. So total cost is this amount of tokens here. You click on I'm not a robot, then you complete the captcha, and all you have to do is to just click on create. So let's say, let me complete the captcha here and then click on create. So all you have to do is to just click on captcha and click on create. So look at something out here. Good. So you say you don't have enough money, please deposit to your balance. Okay, good. So once we deposit an amount here, it is going to help you run your campaign at ease and also simple, just as this, as you can see on the screen here. So in order for you to run this campaign, you have to deposit something out here. Okay, so now let's go out and look out. All you have to do is to deposit something here by clicking on the deposit. Once you click on the deposit, here is the amount the method you prefer to make the deposit, that is either for SEPT, direct, or any of the method you prefer. So this is the amount, and this is the amount of tokens you want. So this is 0.5 amount of BTC I want to deposit here with this account. That means I'm going to receive 5,000 tokens into my account. So in case it's just depend on the amount of tokens I need to run my campaign. So in case I need about 360,000, that means I have to go in for something like 10 um 10 amount of it, which is going to give me this amount of tokens on the faucet pay. Yet still I can change any of the methods here. Maybe I want USDT or any of that. I can check the method so that I can go by the way of depositing the amount on this particular website in order for me to run my campaign. So this is very simple, guys. All you have to do is to make some deposits, and if you don't have any money, I have shown you ways you can start making some tokens on this platform without making any deposit to us all. So I hope you found this particular content very interesting. All you have to do is to just subscribe to this channel, like this particular video, and also don't forget to join my Telegram and my WhatsApp group. There I share a lot of updates there. Thank you for watching this particular video. Any comments or any questions in the comment section. I hope to see you in my next video.